Hello, in this video I will show you how to use the library in the garment tool. So this new panel for library is located on the right. On the top you have managing of the folders, and the bottom is for managing the presets. The presets are basically the blend files. So first thing is where do you locate the library. You can define this in the preferences of the garment tool. You go to this library tab, and in here you define where you want your library to be placed. So to manage folders, you can just click any name of those of the folder, and to go back you just click on this top button. To remove folders, you just select multiple if you want with this plus icon and use this menu on the right. So if I remove those, it will ask, do you really want to do this? And I can select yes. And let's quickly create new folders. So to do this, we just use same menu and create, and name this test1, and maybe create one more, test2, and one more just to show. Maybe I will show that you can create nested categories. So in here I can create one more sub1, and you can go to do a subcategory in here. So let's now maybe create some presets in this subfolder. To create a preset, you just use this bottom menu and store preset. So in this blend file I have top and bottom garment, pants, and the shirt. So let's store the shirt. So I just use this store preset and select the shirt and OK. And now we are in the thumbnail making mode. So all you have to do is just left click and drag, and this will be the thumbnail area for the icon of the preset. So enter to save, and you see it is now saved. So let's repeat this for the pants. I use the same menu, store preset, but this time select pants, OK, left click and drag, and if you want you can change the size by dragging one of those corners and then just enter to save. And if you want you can save multiple garments to one blend file. So to do this you just store presets and shift click on multiple garments. And now when you select multiple, there will be option to name the merged blend file. So let's name this output, maybe something creative like this, and OK. And left click and drag for the thumbnail, enter. And now you see we have 3 presets, and one of them is the merged one. So to import this to new blend file, all you do is just let's open new file and import this from the garment tab library. Let's navigate to this subfolder, append, and that's it. You see now we have 2 garments imported. The sewing patterns are also imported. You can preview the sewings, everything is fine. So to convert this now to mesh, you just use convert to mesh button. I will now isolate the result. This is what we have, and if I press play, it will simulate. We have no collision mesh, so that's why it doesn't look so good. But the cool thing about this is that the garment library stores not only the sewing patterns but also the cloth properties and also the bevel weights, the vertex groups. So yeah, if you have set up something, everything will be stored in this preset. Just to quickly show maybe more options, if you want to rename, just click the plus icon to select the folders you want to rename, and then rename this in here to something like so. You see it is renamed. If you want to remove something, then just select the folder and press delete. Maybe I want to also show you that you don't have to worry about overriding the blend files, because it will automatically ask you if you want to do this. if you want to override. So let's create one preset quickly from the paths. Okay, and now if I will do this again, you will see that it will ask you that file already exists. So if you want to override this, press OK or escape if you do not want to override this. So yeah, you can also rename, create, delete the presets like in folders. It is located in this bottom menu. So if you want, you can rename this from pants to pants slim or something like that, and you see it is renamed. You can delete or open the blend file with the stored preset if you want. So yeah, I think that covers how you manage the libraries of your garments. Maybe I will show you that if you want, you can share this easily. Just shift click on the name of the folder. It will open the Windows Explorer, and in here this was actually empty folder, but you can save this, maybe zip the folder if you want, and if another person unzip this into their library, Dadon will automatically detect this as new folder, and they can use this also. So yeah, I think that covers how to use the library. I hope you will find this useful, and see ya.